Back to the another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily block your notification on Chrome. For this, click on these three dots, go to the setting. After going there, just direct the setting page to the content, like this. After going to the content, click on the notifications here. Okay, can you see this customized behaviors? Not allowed to send notifications, allowed to send notifications. So what you can do is, for example, I'm allowing this website to send me the notification. So from here, I can just block it, edit it, or remove it. So if I'm clicking on the block, it will the notifications will be blocked. So that's easily you can turn off or block your Chrome notifications. For more video like this, don't forget to like, share and comment and keep watching for more. Allah Hafiz.